The cheapest car we have here is $75,000.
That it?
Got a lot of headroom, get it?
Harry knows it, because you were in on it too. Yeah.
The tech guys? You think Pam did all the tech guys?
The lowest, weirdest, saddest guys. That's who Pam fucked.
Hannah, I've had this hoodie since I was 12.
Caleb, come on. This is important. I have to impress Corinne.
All right, it's a job interview. You're not walking the runway.
She's the hottest designer in Philly. It'd be a privilege to get her a cup of coffee.
Not just gray. It may be the coldest day of the year.
She is incredible.
She's the best.
This is the worst day ever.
Just a bunch of olives.
Okay, Ben, pay attention. I've brought you to the Library of Congress. Why? Because it's the biggest library in the world. Over 20 million books, and they're all saying the same exact thing. Listen to Riley.
And I want this to be the most amazing, awe-inspiring, fun-filled park ever conceived.
Now, how big is the park exactly?
It is 0.0000003 square miles. Recently, the last remaining telephone booths in Pawnee were torn down. And on that patch of concrete, I am creating Pawnee's newest tourist attraction, the smallest park in Indiana.
This guy is the craziest, wildest bastard I ever met in my life.
Oh, this guy?
This guy is out of his mind. What's going on, you fucking crazy motherfucker? Thought he was gonna eat my dick.
Check it out, Heckle's high school yearbook. Ooh.
Wow, he looks so normal.
He's even kind of cute.
Heckles, you crack me up in science class. You're the funniest kid in school.
Funniest Heckles?
That's what it says.
So give me some fake hugs right now and laugh real loud like we're the happiest family on earth. Is that possible? Laughing.
Look at those cheeks. That's the ugliest baby on the planet. Damn.
Wow, look at that. Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system.
Where?
Right in front of you.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
You knew.
Come on, I work for the largest information gathering organization in the free world. What would that say about me if I didn't?
You know, many people think that scrambled eggs are the easiest food to make, but that is incredibly foolish. They are a highly nuanced and complicated dish. Okay, now, go ahead and pour your eggs right into the pan, nice and slow.
Oh, honey, I'm so proud of you. You got the highest grade in the class.
But Mom.
The highest grade.
To the most beautiful and the most intelligent woman I've known in my entire life.
Tahani, the point evaluations stop the moment you die, but also, out of literally billions, you are one of the most remarkable people on Earth. You have nothing left to prove to anyone.
Next time I tell you to empty your pockets, you'll do it faster, won't you?
Excuse me, Principal.
Miss Honey, this could be the most interesting thing you've ever done.
What the hell are these?
These are the most expensive donuts in the city. Gourmet donuts from the new place on East Cameron.
Now this is the most important room in the entire factory. Now, everyone enjoy yourselves, but just don't touch anything. Okay? Go on, let's go.